Hello guys, welcome back to the workshop. It was a pleasure to meet you. Previously, we have completed 60% of the map. And, the remains, are for the formula, and the sub-menus. If this is your first time, we recommend you to see our first project on electronic clock sample menu map on part 4. If you wish, you can view this part to get more details about submenu. Okay, before we move to the formula, let's complete our menu map first. Let's fill these blank submenus. Let's get started. Okay, as you see, the clock and the alarm are showing time in hours and minutes. So, here, we fill the submenu for a with. Here, we edit hours and minutes of the clock. Next, we move to submenu 5A and fill the submenu 5A with. Here, we edit hours and minutes of the alarm. Then, the last one, we move to submenu 6A and fill submenu 6A with. Here, we can turn on or turn off the alarm function as we need. Alright guys, it's time to test them. This time, we choose to test all, from the beginning, included these 3 submenus. So, we will test the entire menu. Okay guys, let's see all the result. Thanks God. We have done it. Alright, as you see here, submenu 4A is used to edit hours and minutes of the clock. Submenu 5A is used to edit hours and minutes of the alarm. Submenu 6A is used to turn on or turn off the alarm function. And submenu 7A is used to confirm exit and go back to the normal mode, to the green frames menu, up there. So, for this device, clock with alarm function, we have drawn 12 menus in total. 3 menus for normal mode, and 9 menus for setting mode. So guys, until this step, we have completed all the menu map. Congratulations! Next part, we will write the formula. The formula to compare between clock value and alarm value. Then, turn on something in the outside when clock value is more than or equal to alarm value. Okay guys, see you in the next part. Please respond if you like the project. Thanks for watching.